Then the Add-ons tab contains advanced features that can be added to the plugin. Let's go to the Modules subtab first. This is where you're going to find modules that are going to be disabled by default, but you can enable just like I did by clicking here. This is enabled right now. If I click here, I'm going to disable the module, and you can enable any of these 3 modules like this. The People, Resources, and Google Calendar modules are included in this extended version of our plugin. That's why we were able to see the Google Calendar options, and we were able to create people type and resources. Below, you're going to find other modules that are not included in this plugin's version. These are only available in our premium plugin and give you even more options to create free or paid services to associate with your bookable products like parking or breakfast, extra costs like insurance or cleaning service, and discounts. You would also be able to create and add search forms to your pages so customers can filter and find the best bookable products or services for them. You would also be able to enable a Google Maps integration to add the bookable products location, show it on a Google Map on the product page, and also allow users to filter products with the search forms by location. And you would also be able to enable an external synchronization with calendars from external platforms like Airbnb and Booking to prevent overbooking, for example. To get any of these 5 modules, you can click on the Get Premium button to get the premium license. Then in the Integrations sub-tab, you'll find all the integrations we have developed to give you even more advanced features. Each integration requires booking an appointment and the plugin indicated in order to work, so these are not included in the plugin. You can unlock them by getting these other plugins. For example, you can click here to get redirected to our website and get our Deposits and Down Payments plugin to allow customers to book products by paying a deposit first and then just paying the remaining balance a specific number of days before the booking start date or on the date the booking begins. You can also get a multi-vendor plugin here to run a multi-vendor marketplace and allow vendors to create their own bookable products or services and more. Then in the Help tab, you'll find a link to this extended version's documentation so you can learn how to create bookable products, how to configure the modules, and more. And then you're going to find a link to get support in case you need it. And finally, in the Get Premium tab, you'll find a list of the features that are only available in the premium version. And you can also click here to check out more of those features. And then click on the Get the Premium version button to go to our website and get it.